Hello, this is Brian with Zimco Survival, and today I'm doing a 2-year update video for you guys on the Esbit Spirit Burner. This is a 2-year update video, so I have had this for 2 years. I've also used it. This is my primary spirit burner. I carry this around with my Lexada gasification stove because it fits right down inside, so basically I just bring the stove and a little bit of alcohol with me, and I can burn any kind of fuel that I need to burn in the camping spot I'm in. I carry this with me at all times because of rules and requirements at certain places, so I always make sure I have it with me with a little bit of alcohol, just in case they say you can't burn twigs, which does happen. So I always make sure I have this and some alcohol. As you can see, it is well used. This is not a new product. I put some miles on this thing, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you guys a 2-year update on it, let you guys know how it's held up, and what you guys can expect out of it. Now, a lot of people think it's brass, straight up brass, but it is not. It's actually almost like an aluminum or a I don't know, tin. It's not stainless steel. It's something else. I think it's aluminum. But you can, I don't know if you guys can be able to see it, but you can kind of see the silver around that band there where it's worn, where the copper coating is worn off. See, there's another spot here somewhere I can show you. Can't find it right now. But there are spots on here where the copper coating is worn off. Now, I know it is an actual copper coating because you can see the green as it's starting to oxidize on the coating itself. But there are other areas where the coating has worn off. Now, as far as the lid, I did take the O-ring out because it didn't work. Over time, that O-ring just fell apart, so I took it out, and I don't store alcohol in here anymore. I just use a little bottle that I carry with me to store my alcohol. It's not a big deal, doesn't take up much space, you know, just a little 2-ounce bottle or something like that. But the lid still fits nice and tight, so if you did want to, you know, if I did want to replace the O-ring, I could easily do that and make it capable of carrying alcohol again. I just didn't because, in my opinion, it was, you know, it wasn't worth it. As far as the inside goes, as you can, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but the inside is held up pretty well. I haven't had any serious problems with that. Some people have had their stoves actually crack around it, where it's actually formed cracks in the actual outside of the stove itself. I haven't had that problem, but I don't typically burn it on the highest heat 100% of the time. I know a lot of people like to boil their water as quickly as humanly possible, but in my opinion, you're damaging your equipment if you do that, and you're wasting alcohol. So I typically will light it, wait for it to bloom, and then set it on a simmer, which typically boils water just fine. It takes longer, but it still boils. But it also reduces the heat that this thing is exposed to, and will drastically reduce the chances of having a cracking occur around the ring. But as you can see, there are all the holes. They're still nice and open. Have any problems with that? Still burns alcohol just fine. You know, I haven't had any problems with it at all. It looks really grody. It certainly isn't something that you're gonna take to a, you know, it's not gonna win a beauty contest or anything, but that's part of the character of your equipment, right? If you find good equipment and you keep it and you use it, eventually it's gonna look like this. And then you have something that other people don't. So I'm one of those people that I like to keep my equipment a long time, and I take pride in the use of that equipment. So when somebody shows up at the campsite talking stuff they don't know about, and they pull out a brand new shiny whatever it is, and I pull out one that's years old like this, gives me a little bit of pride. That's just me. But thank you guys for watching. I'm still going to give it a 5 out of 5. It is still an awesome alcohol stove. I have had no problems. It is worth every penny. I will have an affiliate link in the description if you guys want to take a look at it. thank you guys for watching. As always, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.